Next, leaders in El Paso County are now speaking out directly to residents about holding themselves more accountable during the COVID-19 pandemic. It was the main focus behind their new campaign announced today. KRDO News Channel 13's Alexis Dominguez joins us live at the City Administration Building where the Small Acts campaign launched today. Alexis.
Bart, the Small Act campaign focuses on doing our part in stopping the spread of COVID-19 in our community. That includes wearing masks, social distancing, and of course, washing our hands.
You know, COVID is real. Even if it's not fatal, it can have really long-lasting medical effects.
Paul Nielsen is a COVID-19 survivor.
I caught COVID in April. I spent 8 months at Memorial North. I was about this close to being on a ventilator.
He tested positive for the virus back in April. During the worst of his symptoms, his family did everything possible to limit the spread in their own household.
So even though I was very severe with COVID, no one else in my household caught it because we were so intense on sanitizing and isolating and keeping everything separate from myself and the family.
That's what city leaders want the community to do. The Small Acts campaign encourages people to do their part in stopping the spread of coronavirus symptoms in El Paso County. It includes staying home when sick or exposed to COVID-19, getting tested and telling coworkers if positive, avoiding gatherings with members outside your household, and combining trips and errands for less out-of-home exposure.
If the health of your family and your friends and your coworkers doesn't motivate you, I don't think just an order saying do this or do that is going to motivate you.
The county has surpassed the amount of positive cases and hospitalizations it had during our previous spike in April.
There's a consequence coming if this thing doesn't turn around. I am convinced of that.
Still, there are no plans to add a curfew or shut down like we did in March and April. Now, the biggest takeaway from today is that it really is up to us to slow the spread of COVID-19 in the community. Health leaders and city leaders tell us there is nothing else that they can do to keep our numbers low. Now, if you have a small act, go ahead and share it on social media using the hashtag #SmallActs. Reporting live outside the City Administration Building, Alexis Dominguez, KRDO News Channel 13.